And the winner is Alisson Becker.
Alisson Becker. The Brazilian star was a vital part of the Liverpool team that conquered Europe and the Seleção that won the Copa America.